Well, we might have missed it anyway, but we did see it going by anyway.
Yeah.
Are bars going up? I think the bars are going up.
What time's the next one?
Oh, it's stand on anyway.
Stand down.
Do you think it's weird about an MCB being out in the countryside?
Mm-hmm.
Do you know? Do you think it's weird about for an MCB to be out in the countryside?
MCB, what's that?
MCB crossing, which is this right here. MCB crossings are the ones with the skirts, so they are.
Alright. It's red out this place.
Yeah. So do you think it is a wee bit weird for a full bar to be out in the countryside?
I don't know. You see, it's a stop a dog or anything running through there as well.
I know.
Dog. Wouldn't stop a cat like a cat would wander.
No, it can just jump very high. There goes that we're on Craigavon Street. And there we go. God, that bar is very bad. Like, the answer's in that.